Welcome to Bogotá, Colombia's vibrant capital. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 must-visit places in the city, from the iconic Plaza de Bolivar to the breathtaking views at Mirador Torre Colpatria. You'll discover the stunning La Candelaria district, the legendary Zipaquirá Salt Cathedral, and much more. Bogotá offers a mix of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it the perfect destination for travelers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite spot. Let's dive into the best of Bogotá. Plaza de Bolivar is the historic and cultural heart of Bogotá. Surrounded by stunning colonial architecture, it features the iconic Simón Bolívar statue, honoring the liberator of South America. Key landmarks include the Capitolio Nacional, Palacio de Justicia, and the Primatial Cathedral of Bogotá, a masterpiece of neoclassical design. This vibrant square hosts political events, cultural festivals, and daily life in the city. Whether you're exploring history or enjoying local street performances, Plaza de Bolivar is a must-visit destination in Bogotá. Rising 3,152 meters above sea level, Mount Monserrate offers the best panoramic views of Bogotá. This sacred site is home to the Monserrate Sanctuary, a historic church housing the revered statue of El Señor Cato, fallen Lord. Visitors can reach the summit by hiking, cable car, or funicular, enjoying lush landscapes along the way. The mountaintop also features restaurants and souvenir shops, making it a perfect spot to experience Colombia's beauty, spirituality, and culture. A must-visit for breathtaking sunsets and unforgettable moments. La Candelaria is the vibrant historic center of Bogotá, filled with colorful colonial houses, cobblestone streets, and rich culture. It's home to top attractions like the Gold Museum, Botero Museum, and Bolivar Square. Street art covers the walls, showcasing Bogotá's artistic soul. This district also boasts trendy cafes, local markets, and historic churches, offering a perfect blend of past and present. Whether you're exploring history, enjoying local cuisine, or admiring street performers, La Candelaria is a must-visit for an authentic Bogotá experience. Located in La Candelaria, the Botero Museum is home to the stunning works of Fernando Botero, Colombia's most famous artist. Known for his unique Boterismo style, featuring exaggerated, voluminous figures, the museum showcases 123 of his masterpieces, along with works by Picasso, Dali, Monet, and more. Housed in a beautiful colonial mansion, the museum offers free entry, making it a must-visit for art lovers. Whether you admire paintings, sculptures, or the charm of historic Bogotá, the Botero Museum is a cultural gem you shouldn't miss. Located in Plaza de Bolivar, La Catedral Primada de Colombia is one of Bogotá's most important religious and architectural landmarks. Built between 1807 and 1823, this neoclassical masterpiece is the largest cathedral in Colombia and houses the remains of Gonzalo Jiménez de Quesada, Bogotá's founder. Inside, visitors can admire stunning altars, religious artwork, and historic relics. As the heart of Catholic worship in the city, it's a must-visit for history, culture, and architecture lovers exploring Bogotá's rich heritage. La Chorrera Waterfall, located just 45 kilometers from Bogotá, is Colombia's tallest waterfall, plunging 590 meters into a lush green valley. A hiking trail takes you through the beautiful Andean forest, offering incredible views along the way. The sound of the rushing water, combined with the dense vegetation and fresh air, makes for a peaceful escape from the city. If you're an adventure lover or nature enthusiast, La Chorrera Waterfall is a must-see destination for stunning landscapes and an unforgettable experience. The national capital is one of Bogotá's most iconic landmarks, located in Plaza de Bolivar. This neoclassical building houses Colombia's Congress of the Republic and is a symbol of the country's political power. Visitors can admire its grand architecture, including impressive columns, statues, and historical murals. Guided tours offer insight into the building's history, its role in Colombian politics, and its stunning interior chambers. A must-visit for anyone interested in Colombia's political heritage and architectural beauty. Located in the upscale north of Bogotá, Parque 93 is a vibrant urban park surrounded by some of the city's best restaurants, cafes, and bars. Known for its lively atmosphere, it's a favorite spot for locals and tourists to relax, dine, and enjoy cultural events. The park hosts art exhibitions, live music, and seasonal festivals, making it a dynamic place to visit day or night. Whether you're looking for a peaceful stroll or an exciting nightlife experience, Parque 93 is a must-visit destination in Bogotá. Just 30 kilometers from Bogotá, Tequendama Falls is a breathtaking 157-meter, 515-foot waterfall plunging into a misty canyon. Once sacred to the Muisca people, the falls are now famous for their haunting beauty and eerie legends. Overlooking the site is the abandoned Hotel del Salto, adding to its mystique. While the Bogotá River has faced pollution issues, restoration efforts continue. A visit offers stunning views, rich history, and an air of mystery, making it must-see near Bogotá. Standing at 196 meters, the Mirador Torre Colpatria is one of Bogotá's tallest buildings and offers stunning panoramic views of the city. Located in the city center, the observation deck gives you a bird's-eye view of Bogotá's sprawling urban landscape, the Andean mountains, and on clear days, even Monserrate. The view is especially breathtaking at sunset when the city lights begin to sparkle. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just seeking an unforgettable experience, a visit to Mirador Torre Colpatria is a must.